Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Got the doors open in December. That's a rarity, my man. We can't do that very often. But while I've got the weather, I've got the bus. And as you can see, stuff is really moving along on the bus. We've got both the front doors off. We've got the wheels apart. I have ordered a whole lot of bits and pieces, which should be the majority to finish this up. I bought all the conversion kit stuff over the summer and rebuilt the Subaru engine and all that, but I didn't really order the parts needed to fix the bus itself because we really didn't know what the bus needed. So while the weather's good, we've got it figured out. We've got resurfaced these drums. We're going to replace the wheel cylinders, got brake shoes and a spring kit for those. Got new shocks all the way around. KGB, I think, I don't even remember what brand, but nothing fancy. I have to re-index the back of this so that it sits right. On the fronts, these are non-vaned, non-vented rotors, so I had to replace the rotors because they're just too far gone. Both calipers are locked up, not cheap. Of course, I got brake hoses everywhere to replace. In here with the doors off, you can see we started doing some paint work and cleaning up stuff. A lot of it's still primered, but there was some body damage here. It looks like she took a hit from the front corner at some point long ago. But it's okay, it's acceptable. It didn't damage anything of value. Here is where we have one of our bigger problems, and that is this floor is pretty rough. So we've got a piece of flooring that's coming in here, and I'll have to cut and paste that, which is, I'm not looking forward to that. I'm not a very good welder, and I never pretend to be, so that's something I'm not looking forward to. But it is what it is. Other than that, though, the inside's looking good. That side, a little bit of surface rust, but nothing major. Do have new panels for the front here that I'll be installing to cover up that area there. The dash I haven't even started on, but we got a lot going on there. And let's see, I guess nothing really ever changes up there. Let's go back to the engine compartment and we'll wrap this up. The big work here is that, we got the tank out. I took the door off, just get more access. Took the tank out. Got a new tank, which was an unexpected expense, but the tank itself has got a lot of rust in it, and we just decided I don't want to mess up that fuel injection system after we install it. So while we have it out, bought a new tank, bought a new filler hose there, and the other hose that comes off of it. And we've been primering right now, but eventually painting up the inside so that it's nice and bright, a little easier to work on. Last bit of worse than I imagined news is that the battery tray is way worse than I thought it would be. And that's kind of an upsetting moment in time too. But we ordered a battery tray and I'll have to go ahead and put it in there. But I'm going to fiberglass that as well because I don't want that getting that bad again. And so yeah, that's where we're at. It's moving along. Things are actually starting to happen here. And so I know Jen's happy. And I'm happy. I'm ready to get this thing into a drivable state so we can actually enjoy it and do some camping. And of course, we camped out in this thing a few times in the driveway just to get a feel for it, but it'll be different when we're up in Acadia or somewhere out west, somewhere down south. Who knows where we're headed with this thing, but we have some ideas of what kind of a grand adventure we want to take with this thing. So we're working on it. I guess that'll do it for today, my friends. I'll see you next time. Take care.